Okay, guys, so this is my hospital bag. It's a huge luggage container. We're gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you what is inside. Okay, guys, so once you open my suitcase, I actually have 3 bags in here. So my husband, he packed my bag, but I wrote him a list of things to put in there. So in this first bag, it's gonna be a whole bunch of newborn stuff. Then over here, got the sign. I already had the sign, so that's what I chose. And then also my clothing. So I'll go by what's in the stuff for her, and then me, and then we'll see what else he packed up in here. All right, so I showed you that I have 3 bags in this one big bag. We have newborn diapers. That one. This one's from Bye Bye Baby. We have like a bunch of brands that we're gonna try out, so hopefully she'll like that one. Of course, I have my breast pump that's in here, Motif. And check out my YouTube video. I got my breast pump along with this cute bag for free through my insurance on Aeroflow. I'll leave the description in the, I'll leave the website in the description box, okay? So that's what's in the first bag. Let me see what else. Like I said, my husband helped me pack this bag, so we're gonna see what else is in here. I thought he put some whites in here, but we'll see. I don't think so. All right, so moving on. We have a sign here for when she comes in case we have some visitors. And then we have this cute little blanket that one of my coworkers gave me. And so we're going to use that one. So cute. That was so sweet of her. And then we actually have her outfit. I think Jermaine also added like some other stuff too, but let me look for her outfit that we're gonna actually have her have on when she goes home. Okay, here it is. All right, so so he packed a whole bunch of onesies, cute little onesies for her to wear while she's at the hospital, as well as socks, mittens here, and these are the cutest little shoes. So these are going to be the shoes that she wears when she goes home, along with this onesie. Isn't that cute? And then she'll have these mittens on I have the booties for them, as well as the cute little hats. Isn't it cute? So that's going to be her going home outfit. Let's see. And of course, it comes with a changing pad. Might be able to use that while we're in the room. And some wipes. I have more wipes too, but this one is from an Honest brand. It came in one of my bags for like gift registry and stuff. Also have a white container and more diapers. And one more thing, water wipes. I prefer water wipes. We'll see what she likes when we get ready to just clean her off and all that good stuff. So yeah, so that's what's in there. Let's see here. And then we're gonna move on to what he packed in my bag. So we have a cute dress, just a dress to wear. I think this is my to-go, like going home dress. It's just simple. I heard that, stuff be different down there. So I thought a dress would be appropriate when going home. Socks. Don't forget that. I also want to get some slippers too, whenever I get a chance. And then I have like random shirts here also. And a bunch of random shirts. And some granny panties. I prefer microfiber. Oh man, they're so much better than cotton and silk, and it ain't time to be cute. So no Vickies, I'm sorry, it's not time to be cute. You're gonna have to get you some Hanes granny panties to go, okay? And then I have like just more socks and some pads. Let's see what else we got. I think that's it. Some other stuff I plan to put in there is, oh, I'm sorry. Also toothbrush, deodorant. Oh, shoot. What? I didn't know that was in there. Nice. Makeup wipes. I didn't know that was in there. I was actually needing some. Well, that's nice. Also toothpaste, vaginal wipes. And then we're gonna put this on the car. So that'll be cute. But few other things that I plan to put in the bag is, of course, chapstick for sure. I need chapstick, I need lipstick. And then some of my friends were saying that you might want to have like snacks and hydration stuff. So like Gatorade. They also have like these little gels that you can use and stuff. So I think I'll put that also in there when we get closer to time. I haven't decided if I'm going to actually buy a gown. I don't know yet. I probably won't. I think I'll just use the hospital gowns. It's not a big deal. And then, what else? Robe. I might get a robe. We'll see. I think I will get a robe, but I don't want one of those big fluffy robes. I just need something that's like, you know, light, microfiber, probably like black or navy. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I have in my hospital bag. It's nothing too crazy. Like, yeah, I had a huge suitcase, but I don't think you need that much. I think everything else still pretty much supply. So thank you for watching this video. Talk to you soon. Bye.